Today we're making a light, delicious, refreshing dessert that's both budget-friendly and simple to make with just a few simple ingredients. Strawberry granita. You can use strawberries or a variety of mixed berries for this wonderful, refreshing, and light dessert. Let's get started and I'll show you step by step how it's done. Now first, you'll want to make a simple syrup. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of water. So you just need the sugar and the water in a small saucepan, and we're going to take it over to the stove and bring it up to a simmer until all of that sugar is dissolved. With your sugar and water mixture, you just want to turn your heat on to about medium-high. We're just going to bring that to a simmer until we see all of that sugar has dissolved. It doesn't need to come up to a boil. Now, a simple syrup is typically equal parts sugar and water. This one is going to be a little bit sweeter because it has 3/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of water. For this amount of simple syrup, it will not take very long at all for that sugar to dissolve. Probably no more than a couple of minutes. As soon as you start seeing those bubbles, just do a nice stir through, and you'll see that most of those sugar granules are dissolved. Now we're going to let that cool a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and get our other ingredients ready. Now for this recipe, you'll want the juice of 1 lemon, I'm just going to strain that into a cup, make sure I have all the seeds out of there. I just want a dash of salt. That's just going to bring out the sweetness and the flavor, so you don't need a lot of salt. Next, I have 1.5 pounds of frozen strawberries. You can use fresh. I just happened to get a bunch of strawberries earlier this summer, and I froze what I couldn't use up right away. I've measured out 1.5 pounds of strawberries that have been washed and the stems taken off. The juice of a lemon and a little bit of salt. It's cooled off a little bit, but it's still warm. That simple syrup right in there. And we're going to turn this on and we're going to process it until it's nice and smooth. Okay, that was probably 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to strain it right into a 13 by 9 inch pan. It can be a metal pan or a glass pan. But we're going to strain it through a fine mesh sieve. This part is probably going to be the part that takes the longest, but just be patient. Now, the ingredients of this dessert could not be simpler. Strawberries, simple syrup, a little dash of salt, and some lemon. So good. I think this whole process of putting it through the sieve might take maybe 5 minutes. And you'll want to start this at least 3 hours before you're going to serve it, because it will need to freeze. And you'll go through a scraping process to kind of get it to that granita consistency. It really helps to have like a big rubber spatula like that and just press it through. It makes it go a little quicker. Make sure you scrape that bottom where all the good strawberry juice is coming out. And what we have left is mostly seeds, so I believe we're done. Now we're going to put this in the freezer, flat and uncovered. And after about 45 minutes, we're going to start scraping the edges with a fork and bring them to the middle. And we'll do that for every like 30 to 45 minutes. And after about 3 hours, it's going to be a beautiful granita consistency. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. And we can see the edges are already starting to freeze. So we're just going to take that and move it towards the center. And we'll do that about every 30 minutes or so until it's all nice and frozen and mostly ice crystals. Now the strawberry granita has been in and out of the freezer for about 3 hours. I took it out about every 30 to 45 minutes and scraped it with a fork. And it's a wonderful consistency now. It's ready to serve as a dessert, which is what I'm going to use it for. But you could also use this as a refreshing base to a drink. You could put it in a beautiful glass. I'm going to use martini glasses. You could top it with Prosecco. If you wanted to go non-alcoholic, you could top it with a little 7-Up. It would be a wonderful, refreshing drink as well. Now here's the texture you're looking for. It's almost like it's a little bit more frozen than, say, like a slushie would be. Really a nice treat. We're going to scoop this up into a glass. And I have to say that this is going to make more than 4 servings. This would be probably at least 6 servings. You can garnish it with some mint, a strawberry. I'm just going to garnish it with a little lemon twist. Tune in for another video later. I'll be doing a 4-course budget meal for under $20. This will be the dessert. All right, let's give this a taste test. So good. So light and refreshing. The strawberry flavor just pops. That simple syrup really helps provide a wonderful texture when it freezes. It's just very creamy. This is so versatile too. You could use different berries. You could use mixed berries. I can even see you doing a peach. Strawberry's my favorite though. It's really close to a sorbet. So good and so light. You'll be doing this on repeat. If you make it once, you'll make it a million times. It's wonderful. Thanks so much for joining me today as we made this wonderful strawberry granita. We'll see you next time.